Let's take a look at this problem. It says, does f appear to be even? Let me get my pen. Just as a refresher on even means it's symmetric to the y-axis. This would be a graph, for example, that's symmetric to the y-axis. If you take the right side and you flip it over, it lands exactly on this side. Well, if I were to take, for example, this piece right here and flip it over, well, that kind of more or less looks like it's symmetric to the y-axis right there. So that does look like it. But then this piece here, it has to be true for your entire graph. When I flip it over, should look like that right there. So it's definitely not even. So even, no. Now odd. This is an example of an odd function. It's symmetric to the origin, which if I start with one of my quadrants, start with this one, if I flip it over across the y-axis, and then flip it, reflect it across the x-axis, it should land exactly on this piece. Well, as I look at this, if I start with this piece down here, if I flip it over, it'll be right here, and if I flip it up, then it should look like something like that. Well, the graph doesn't even exist here, so it's definitely not odd. So the answer to the question is it's neither.